Hey party people, so you know if there's a carnival, I jumping in. I'm here with none other than Dr.
Harold Ganger from the Los Angeles Culture Festival and Hollywood Carnival.
And Lions, here she comes. She does great work and her sneaker game is impeccable. All right. Good to see her. All right, G. Anthony Joseph.
I always wanted to be in Hollywood because I always believe walking down Hollywood you will see some director saying, yo, that's the guy for this, that's the guy for that part. So I'm in Hollywood. So
you hear that? Fam, I'm happy for the next show. Anytime you have a soca artist, a Rasta man with his long locks,
I'm an actor.
an actor. Yeah. So where you going to next? You jumping on the jet to you going to St. Lucia like the rest? Where next?
I will be in I'll be in St. Lucia for the St. John show.
Okay.
Yeah, next time is Cayman Island. St. John's is next weekend and Nadia Batson show in New York.
Hey! So he coming to you hear he coming to the Virgin Islands.
Yeah,
He dropping in St. John for Independence. Our Independence
that
July 3rd.
July 3rd.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So y'all heard that here first. Look out for Nadia Batson, accompanied by Famanapi. We love, love, love soca. We appreciate all that Trinidad contributes. And it's nothing but Caribbean United, one love.
United, one love.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
LA is a beautiful day outside.
Well, the party today was packed to say the least, and we had none other than former Calypso Monarch, Fan Lions, and former Calypso Monarch, Bungie Garland, former Calypso Monarch, Farmer Nappy, all the royalties on the ones. How long did it take to coordinate this and to bring our people together coming out of the pandemic restrictions?
Well, this was very challenging because what happened is that we weren't sure we were going to do this, so we didn't decide we were going to activate this until about 7 weeks ago. So to put together this type of event with top-line performers and vendors and food service and what have you was a challenge. But we did it in 7 weeks, and it turned out very nice because Hollywood Carnival brand is about quality first, and bringing the best for our Caribbean people.
So is Hollywood Carnival Committee visiting other islands and checking out their respective carnivals to bring a taste back each year? Or
well, we do. In Hollywood Carnival, we have sections. We have about probably 60 different sections that represent people from different parts of the Caribbean that come out as section, not as mass band, but section of a mass band. And they integrate with us on Hollywood Boulevard and play mass. So we hope to keep on doing that and get the amount of involvement from the various different countries to participate. And we are one world, one people, so come join us and enjoy the culture.
And Dr. Ganga, you want to tell the people where you're from? Where's your Caribbean heritage originates?
I'm from Trinidad.
At Trini?
I'm a Trini, but I'm a culture person.